In today's lesson, we're going to add two fractions with like denominators. So this is a little bit more complicated, and I'll go through the steps in detail, step by step. So let's look at this problem that says add 7/12 plus 11/12, and then you find the answer. So notice that the denominators are the same. This means we simply add the numerators and keep the denominators the same, okay? So let's do that. So 7/12 plus 11/12 equals 18/12. We just add these two. We get 18 and keep the denominator the same. So now 18/12 is called an improper fraction. So we could write 18/12 as a mixed number. So how do we do that? We would divide 18 by 12. So let's do it the long division way. So we have our division bar and we put our dividend here, our divisor here, and we're looking for the quotient, which is our answer, right? So if you look in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that have this in there. You could find it in detail, how to do this division. I'm going to go through it in a little bit of detail, but not as much as some of my other videos. So to do this division, you follow these steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Okay, so we're going to go through and do that. So divide. 12 fits into 18 once, right? 2 times is too many. 12 times 2 is 24. So we're looking for 18. So we've divided now. The next thing to do is to multiply 12 times 1. 12 times 1 is 12. Next thing to do is subtract. We subtract 18 minus 12. That equals to 6. The next thing we do is we bring down, but there's nothing to bring down, so we're basically done, okay? So now we have our answer. Our answer is 1 and 6/12, okay? This is the remainder, 1 and 6/12. That's our answer. But 6/12, we could actually reduce that. So we have to reduce the fraction portion. And to do that, we know that 6 and 12 can be divided by 6. They can both be divided by 6. So we would divide both the top and bottom by 6 to reduce the fraction. So that would be 1 and 1/2. So that's the final answer. And let's put that in the box. So 7 plus 7/12 plus 11/12 equals 1.5. And that's the answer. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Like I said, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could just rewatch the video until you get it. And anyone can do this. Don't be afraid. You've got this. And as well, you could also download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there. You could follow along. There's a link there that'll take you to this video, so you could watch the video as you are reviewing the lesson in the book. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.